Hello, and welcome to Data to Go, a video series created by NTT Data's Data and Intelligence team. We'll be sharing insights from the world of data strategy, data modernization, business analytics, and intelligent automation. Join us over a cup of coffee as we explore the exciting world of data. I'm your host, Malini, alongside my co-host, Ishan, and today we are joined by guests Vikas Damodaran and Michael Langford.
Hello, everyone. My name is Vikas Damodaran. I lead the Analytics and Business Intelligence pillar under the Chief Data Analytics Office here at NTT Data, along with my colleague, Michael Langford. From a role perspective, so what do we do? Three things, right? One is majority of the time, we're in conversation with our customers, both existing and potential customers, talking about various topics under the Analytics and Business Intelligence pillar, be it strategic in terms of defining analytics strategy, AI, ML, COEs, operating models, to use case developments, and really helping the customers in their enterprise analytics journey, right? The second is we're also heavily invested in developing next-gen offerings, IP that we bring to the market as a consulting organization and help accelerate this customer's data analytics-driven vision, right? And obviously, we own and run the P&L responsibility for the ABI pillar. Michael?
Michael Langford, also part of the Chief Data and Analytics Office, work with Vikas, my brother from a different mother. We've known each other for a long time. I've been in IT long enough and BI long enough that I've gone from the mainframe to distributed processing to client server to then now the cloud. I love what I do. I like learning about the business and I like providing information to the clients that they didn't know they had. So that's all.
Awesome. So let's get started. So for today's topic, we'll be covering analytics and business intelligence. More specifically, some popular BI tools and use cases and how they can be used to improve your business. We'll be discussing various use cases that have improved client productivity within different industries and some personal experiences from within the firm. So exactly what are BI tools used for?
Before we get to these tool-specific sections, so from a BI or business intelligence as a capability is a set of strategies and technologies to ingest, analyze business data that helps organizations make better data-driven decisions, right? From a tool perspective, any BI platform that you see in the market helps the user in terms of analysis, mining the data, modeling the data, and visualization to present that data in a much more user-friendly way, right? Dashboards, reports, capable to slice and dice the data, depending on the customer requirements, right? And how you want to look at the data.
What kind of market problems do you see businesses having regarding ABI?
There are a few. So, but let's want to highlight a couple of them, if I may, right? So, the first and foremost is not having a clear vision or a strategy around enterprise analytics and business intelligence, right? The ABI strategy should clearly outline your vision on how to become a truly data-driven organization, how you value your data and analytical assets, and understand the monetization model, right? Understand stakeholders, both internal, your employees, both external, your customers, and identify most critical outcomes for stakeholders, right? The detailed strategy and the operating model should also include the how part of it, right? How are you going to execute on this vision, the analytics strategy? That would, at a broader sense, it will include people, processes, organization structures, your architecture, your delivery models to enable the analytics and BI at an enterprise scale. The second one, and I mentioned too, the second topmost one is around the data itself, right? Be it the quality of the data, the availability of data, data management, and governance on top of it, right? So it's important that enterprises have a strong data strategy at enterprise scale that will help get best out of the analytics and business intelligence capabilities.
Very cool. So what are some of the best practices for analytics and business intelligence?
I guess four things: listen, learn, playback, and deliver. And what I mean by that is have an interactive conversation with the client and exchange ideas, figuring out a way to monetize their data. There's a book about that. You might want to get that. I'm just saying. So The point is, we're supposed to listen to the problems that the client is having and solving for those problems. Those problems should be monetized. In other words, there should be some return on investment for those problems that we're solving for. It shouldn't just be a technical exercise, but something that drives benefit for the business. I guess the other thing, when I was talking about communication, interactive communication, that incremental development and providing feedback to the client as we're delivering, we should be sharing with them our ideas and our insights and what we're building so they can agree or not agree as the process continues versus waiting until the end to show them what we've already delivered to make sure that we're on the right track. Making sure that we identify the sources, identify the KPIs that they're interested in. We can also help them with KPIs we've uncovered for other clients and in other engagements to maybe give them some ideas that they weren't thinking of before. And also, some tools are better at self-service. Self-service is a big deal. Some tools are better at self-service than others. So depending on how much self-service they want to have for their business, we might recommend different tools and also recommend a semantic layer, which helps clients understand what data they have and what it actually is.
So what are some of the essential skills that are needed to successfully implement analytics and BI into client businesses in both of your experiences?
Aside from the technical skills, the pure technical skills that people have in order to get jobs like this, they need soft skills. They need to be able to communicate. They need to be creative and tenacious. And what I mean by tenacious is stubbornly dig deep for information and answers that aren't readily obvious to somebody. The people that are best at what we do are the people that actually love what they do and want to find things that nobody else has thought of. Everybody can, ride a bicycle. Not everybody can ride a unicycle. We are people that ride unicycles. So
that was very insightful, Vikas and Michael. Thank you both for sitting down with us today and sharing your knowledge and expertise on analytics and business intelligence. To all our viewers, thank you for watching, and be sure to check in back for our new episodes for more data insights sip by sip. Cheers.